Little Amy Club.
Hello, little artist! Today we're going to draw a magical unicorn. Let's get started. First, draw the fluffy hair on top. Now draw the unicorn's horn. Draw the ears and the face. Beautiful! Now draw the long hair on the side. Make it soft and wavy. Add a big eye and a happy smile. So cute. Next, draw the body and the four legs. Now draw the fluffy tail. Make it nice and wavy. Fantastic! Let's add a colorful decoration on the unicorn's back. Now it's time to color. I use pink, blue, and purple for the unicorn's hair. So pretty! Color the horn yellow. Next, color the tail. Use pink, purple, and light blue again. Now color the decoration on the back. Let's add some soft shadows and highlights. Great job! This unicorn looks amazing! Drawing is so fun! See you next time! Bye-bye!